Okay, so I got this stack. I gotta replace this stack and I gotta do it in the ground. I gotta bust around here and get this all out. Probably should just cut it out first, let it drop, and then bust around it, just so I ain't got this all the shit in my way. So okay, so I got it knocked down. You seen that I knocked it out. So I'm just gonna start hitting around here, making a hole. Sometimes it's always a pain in the ass to break this cement. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. There is a drain right here, so it could make it harder. And it also could mean I don't have the right parts too, so. But I know it goes that way. I know it goes to a drain, and I'm pretty sure it goes that way also to hit that kitchen drain. So unless it's tied somewhere else, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna start busting this up. Eventually I'm gonna stop, speed it up, and then show after. I can already see a crack, so wire up here too. I don't want to hit. If I hit it, my lights will go out. Busting up concrete is not fun, but it's got to be done. And usually I can have some help, and I have somebody switching on and off with me. But I'm by myself. This might be in my way. Can get it up a little closer. Just don't want to hit it. Okay. It's tough right here. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna speed it up. Okay, pretty much got it all cracked up all the way around it. I'm gonna have to just take my bar, start prying it up. I do want it bigger though. I need more space. Hopefully it's going that way. Pretty sure it's going that way. So probably need more space there, but unless it's coming from that way and that's branched off to there and running to there, then I have no problems foot it, and then elbow it up. Let's hit a couple more times. Try to get it back more this way. That's some tough shit. There we go. Yeah, some tough shit. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna speed it up. All right, so I got this, got a lot of it out. So what I got is what I suspected. Well, I suspected both ways, but it's coming this way. It's got a Y right there. See it? This thing likes to like flip if it's facing down a little bit, so it likes to like flip upside down, which shouldn't do that. So has a Y going there, Y coming there. I'm sure it's going to hit that kitchen, and I'm sure that it's got another Y right there to hit that drain. So it's going right there. You could see I broke off the old patina that was all on it, which that patina keeps it safe. Keeps the iron safe from rusting out. It's like whatever it is, I call it patina. So it's going this way, and I'm sure it's gonna go. You would figure it wouldn't be like a major sweep. You'd figure it'd be on the Y, but it's not. So I'm gonna continue to get this up. Usually if I have one pipe, I just hit that with a sledge, snaps it, and then I cut me a nice even line, which I guess I could probably do. And just eliminate that, and then come off this stack for the kitchen. But that kitchen's kind of, depending on where that sink's gonna be, I'm gonna figure out where that sink's gonna be. Looks like it was here before. If it was here, I mean, it's not too far from the stack. The rule is 10 foot from the stack, but I could put a stooter on it, or I can tie into this old vent, because there's an old vent going up that wall. I can see there's an old vent, so probably just tie into that vent. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna speed it up faster because it seems to be the time warp or whatever seems to be going too slow, so I need to go faster. So I'm gonna continue to get this open. Once I cut it out, I'll come back. Okay, so I got this far. It maybe took me about an hour to do this. That furnace is running, so it's gonna be louder. I can't stop it. The guys upstairs will be cold. I'm hot, but it's been a while since I did this. It sucks. I hate this shit, but usually somebody else is doing this for me. But whenever somebody else does this for me, it's never like this good and clear, and usually it's not even this good. But I gotta get it back even further. I gotta come back some more and cut that there, and pretty sure that's the drain tile. With the drain tile all the way around the house. This is going to that kitchen. I thought that was, but it's not. That's going to the drain tile, whatever it's going. I'm sure it's going to a drain tile. That's going to the kitchen, and it's probably branching off here for this. This has got to be a drain. Yeah, that's a drain for sure. There's a drain there. It's probably just sweeping over that way. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna get this broke up so I can get to a nice even spot. Alright, so I got pretty much what I needed to get. There's no reason to dig all that out until that's all out. So I made a little spot for right there. Cut me right there. A little spot there, cut there, cut there. It might take 2 blades. Only because it's going in the dirt, so it could take 2 blades. I'm going to try to do it in one. But you always got to try to keep your blade out of the dirt. And if your blade seems dull, then that's what it is. It's dull. So get a new blade. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting there trying to cut, and your blade's dull as shit. I throw out blades so fast because they're dull. Some people like to still use them, but it's no reason for that much work. You gotta, you know, the blades dull quickly. Alright, I got my hole. Got it all cleared around it for the boot. I just gotta cut that and that. For the most part, it's good. Probably gonna make this 2 videos. This one video and then me finishing it. So. Shit. Trickle time.